What information do I need to activate my Straight Talk phone with the same number?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to activate your Straight Talk phone with the same number. If you recently purchased a new phone or are switching to Straight Talk, it's essential to keep your existing phone number. Don't worry, though, because the process is straightforward. Let's get started.
Gathering the required information.
Before you begin the activation process, make sure you have the following information readily available. 1. Current account information. You'll need the account information associated with your existing Straight Talk service. This typically includes your phone number, name, address, and any other relevant details. 2. IMEI or MEID number. The IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity, or MEID, Mobile Equipment Identifier, number is a unique identifier for your phone. You can usually find this number on the back of your phone or in the settings menu. It's crucial to have this number ready as it helps Straight Talk associate your phone with your account. 3. Activation kit or SIM card. If you're using a new phone or switching devices, you may have received an activation kit or SIM card from Straight Talk. Keep this kit handy as you'll need it during the activation process.
Activating your Straight Talk phone.
Now that you have all the necessary information, let's proceed with the activation process. 1. Visit Straight Talk's website. Open your preferred web browser and go to Straight Talk's official website. 2. Navigate to the activation page. Once you're on the website, look for the activation page. It is usually located under the Activate or Activate, Reactivate section. Click on the appropriate link to proceed. 3. Select Activate, Reactivate. On the activation page, you'll be presented with different options. Choose the Activate, Reactivate option since you want to activate your phone with the same number. 4. Provide required information. You will now be prompted to enter the necessary information. Fill in the required fields, including your existing phone number, zip code, and the IMEI or MEID number of your new phone. 5. Complete the activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. This may involve entering additional information, such as your account details, payment information, and selecting a service plan. 6. Insert the SIM card. If you received a new SIM card or activation kit, carefully insert it into your new phone according to the instructions provided. 7. Power on your phone. Turn on your new phone and wait for it to establish a connection with the Straight Talk network. This may take a few moments. 8. Test your phone. Make a test call or send a text message to ensure that your phone is activated and working properly. And there you have it. Activating your Straight Talk phone with the same number is a breeze when you have the necessary information at hand. Remember to gather your current account information, IMEI or MEID number, and any activation kits or SIM cards provided. Then, head over to the Straight Talk website, navigate to the activation page, and follow the prompts to complete the process. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Straight Talk's customer support for assistance. Enjoy your newly activated phone and stay connected with Straight Talk.